Hi everyone. I'd like to take a moment to show you a few of the features of our awesome ebook collection that we have housed under our MackinVIA site. You will start at your chosen campus webpage, and all you need to do is look under the quick links for MackinVIA. You can see it's right there under my quick links, and I'm going to click MackinVIA. If I am logged in on a district computer, I will not need to log into MackinVIA again. However, if I am logging in from home, I will need to go ahead and log in using my username and password from the district. I want to focus on ebooks today, so I'm just going to click ebooks. And you can see that our ebooks are all shown very nice and clear. You can see their beautiful covers. I can also search under categories if I'm not really sure what I'm looking for, and it will give me different categories and I can search through there. So if I'm interested in adventure, I have 43 different titles that I can search through. For right now, I just want to start at ebooks so I can show you some of the features of our ebooks. If you just hover over a book, you can click the eye and that will give you all the information you need about the book. So it will give you how many books are available, title, author, and a summary of the book. It's a great little resource. And if you find that you like that book, you can go ahead and favorite it. You can also check it out or request. This book is already out right now, so I can request it so that I can read it later. And it really is as easy as the click of a button. Now I would like to show you our backpack. You can see right here, this is my backpack. I'm going to click the backpack. I can take a look at favorites. I can take a look at my checkouts. And I can see my requests. If I happen to have a request that can be canceled, I can also cancel my request from here. Let's open up one of my checkouts so I can show you some of the features of our checkouts. So I'm going to open up this book and you'll be able to see some awesome features. You can actually play the book, and this is great for kiddos who like audiobooks or for kiddos who need a little bit of extra help in reading. And when you play, you can change the voice and the speed. Right now, I can change the voice and
Their final two. It's 3 to.
And I can also change the speed. Notice when it's playing that the voice is speaking and there's a highlighter tracking the words to help the kiddos out.
3. It's 3 to 3. Your turn to rev the engine. Turn on the.
There you have it. It's wonderful. A great tool for our kiddos. We also have, I'm going to go ahead and close that out. We also have some amazing features for our kids as well. And we can change the size of the font. We can change the look of the page so that it's a black background with white wording. You can also change it to a more off-white with brown wording. And you can change the font so that it's more reader friendly for our kids with special needs. When you take a look at this, I'd like to also note that you can do different things like highlighting. So notice I have highlights already. If I just choose a word and click on it, it will give me the option to highlight. And I can color code my highlighting. Then I can also underline. I can take notes. So if I want a note on this line, I can go ahead and type in my note and click save. And now my note is available for me. I can also bookmark my page. My little screen is a little too small, so you won't be able to see my bookmark, unfortunately. I can see other notes and I can continue playing and things like that. So now that you can see my notes, I can click Notebook and I can take a look at some notes. I've already written a few. I can change my mind about notes if I'd like. Maybe this one is not working for me anymore, so I can click it and get rid of it. This is another great feature to allow our students to learn more and properly use these books in order to remember everything that they need to know. So I've got my highlighting down, I've got some notes taken, and using the same feature, I can also look up the definition of a word. I can hear what the word sounds like.
Field.
And see all of the available definitions that might make sense in the context of my page. Another awesome thing that I can do is I can look up a citation. So the citations will appear in the 4 main formats. And as a student who maybe struggles with citations, this will really help our kids create great bibliographies and give credit to authors. These are just some of the wonderful features that are available through our Mackin Via ebooks. Our kids will all have access to these books through their campus webpage using their district logins. It's a really great resource for our kids. They have access to books, among other things, and they can very quickly and easily find books, take notes, make citations, and find everything that they are possibly looking for quickly and easily. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy our ebooks. Have a great day.